Manipurda judo masana asi hena kumang chausinbagi pandamda Manipur Judo Association amadi Inspire Institute of Sports Ballet ani gi marakta khutiak pinakre Imphal ge Hotel Classic Grande da pangthoki bathauram amada Manipur Judo Association ge working president Bijoy Koizam amadi Inspire Institute of Sports Ballet ge chairperson Manisa ani na khutiak adu pinakhi thauram aduda Manipur Judo Association ge secretary S Indra Kumar amadi Thoubal District Youth Affairs and Sports Officer M Devan Inspire Institute of Sports Ballet ge CEO Tathagata Mukherjee Judo ge chief coach Mamuka amadi deputy chief coach June Sarmasu Sarukyaki Panbayabadi English ani kulhumdoi dagi hauna Inspire Institute na Manipur dagi hena faba sanaroi kaya puthokna bagi asan ba mitiang amaga loina na lam kaya da piba yaba mateng piduna lakli hojik Manipur da Thoubal amadi mayang Imphal ani asinatana judo masana asigi practice tawa yaba mafamata laitri thawramaduga mari lainana Bijoy Koizam na ngasi fawbada Manipur dagi judo masana asida Olympian ahumkhak puthokpa ngamli fibam asigi yenglaga mating mathauna leiba ahenba Judo sanaroi kaya puthokna bagi asanba mitiang amaga loinana judo masanagi oiba academy ama sanaba Manipur Judo Association amadi Inspire Institute of Sports Ballet ani gi marakta khutiak pinabani haike Inspire Institute ki chairperson Manisana Manipur asi judo masana asiga yamna chunaba mafam ama oiduna lakli lamdam asida oiriba thokaningdaba thaudokwa thokaya leirabasu masana asi hena chaukhatnaba hotnabada Manipur miyamna pangbayaba mateng pangminar asi haina pauche lakli
Kadumba lam lerigadi afaba international level da sanave aba adu modozo ma choidana IIS na akoi madu PP system do bisu ai badana sagan habigi thajabadu ai pigene khali ngarang de akoi discuss tawgre aduna akoi ngasi ai yamna sang haijroi aduna hairiba venture ase akoi judo ka singidam tari Manipur judo ka gidam tari khwaidagi afaba nimine logjai
Manipur judo with bringing the only event that happens in the whole year in judo, domestic event. Is that the only event? So this year, because as you know, the Judo Federation of India does not exist and is in a bad state, this year is going to be the only judo domestic event where we are going to invite 300 judokas from around the country, and all of this is to develop judo in the state.